you've just been watching me weave on a prototype for our tablecloth and napkin sets for our warps to go in the store. Here's a cute little napkin, miniature version of this tablecloth, 8-2 cotton, easy to weave with, very satisfying for your picnics or elegant dinners. This is a large tablecloth. We have this project available in a smaller size as well, actually 4 different sizes if you really take a look. And I'm going to show you a little trick for how long to weave your stripes to make a nice square plaid. See, I'm weaving this little green stripe right now. It's just a little bitty thing, this big. So I can measure here at the reed, and then I can measure here, just hanging on to a piece of the weft yarn. A more accurate measurement for a bigger chunk of the tablecloth is to go across a few stripes. I can measure, say, from this little green stripe across the yellow to the orange, and then I can compare that here. And I can see I need about 4 more picks of the green. So we're going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm ready now to change. So I'm actually over here. I think of it starting this way. I did the orange, the blue, the brown, the green, and then right now I'm on this green. I'm ready to do that brighter blue-green, which is right here. So I cut that yarn off right at the edge. I still have that same shed open. I'm tucking my shuttle in there, overlapping just about an inch on the old yarn, and then I'm all set to go with the new color. So there's a little peek at our tablecloth and napkin sets.